I believe I have found an alien megastructure in a sky map. Now to me, this looks like one of those alien megastructures that they build around the sun. Let's look at this closer up. Hello everyone, this is Scott of ET Database and UFO Sightings Daily. This is a megastructure I found in the Constellation Taurus, and I'm using a sky map, and I'll put the URL in the about description below the video. If you haven't liked this video and subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. Really helps me out, guys. Super cool. This is the object, and it's in this location right down here in this yellow area is Taurus Constellation. Here is the structure itself. It's really amazing, and you see it's way out here in Taurus Constellation. And now you think, well, Scott, it's just one of the blue lines. No, it's not the blue lines. If I come over here and I take the blue lines off, the object is still there. So I could remove the blue lines and take them out of there and take all the other lines out too. But this object remains. And it's not alone. The object sort of has a shadow here, like it's been shooting off from this direction to that direction. And I don't know if you could see the blue circle shadow here, like it's been caught zooming off. And I don't believe it's any other place, but there is another one. Like they're traveling in pairs, like military pilots have a wingman, okay? So it's kind of like that. I don't see a shadow around this one, but I believe there probably is too. I've seen some similar objects before. Oh, there's another one. That must be the shadow area. What is this, guys? What is this? Look at this. Look at the pattern on it, all around it. Do you see the pattern? That looks like it traveled really fast. And that's like a shadow of it where it was a second ago, and now it's there. Now, one of the scientists that Third Phase of the Moon talked to about my last discovery said one of the things we don't like is that it's not faded. It wasn't moving. Well, this looks like it's moving. This was its position earlier, and that's the new position of it. So it looks like it's moving. It's blurry on this edge and more sharpened on this side. Do you notice that? The blur and the sharpen? That kind of shows me that it's heading downward compared to the other one. It's like they're passing each other in a hello way, and this one seems to be a little bit slower. A little bit slower. Can you see the circle right there all around? It's a little hard to see that circle. I'm going to take a screenshot and show you that. Here is a screenshot of the objects, and I believe there's some lines here, but you can't see them very well. So what I'm going to do is push autofocus, and suddenly it stands out. Okay, let's go back to normal, and I'm pushing autofocus on my Photoscape X, apply, and now you could see the lines. You could see the lines coming around these objects. Just like I said, these objects are moving fast, and it looks like two other objects shot past. And this one, I don't see it. Strange. Maybe it's just like hopping, a small burst, and it shot from here to here. But this one, look at this. You can see it shooting all the way across. That is incredible to me. This is absolute proof that these objects are moving. I mean, that should not be possible. This is what the NASA scientist was talking about with my last object I found that was just sitting still, because it's like a space station-like object. These aren't. These are huge. Remember those things during the tether incident when the giant round circular donut UFOs cut the tether in half? That was many, many miles and kilometers long. It's like 10 kilometers long, and these big objects passed right through it and cut it in half. And they almost acted and pulsed. They pulsed like a heartbeat, like they were alive. And I'm wondering, are these giant objects alive? Are these things living creatures, living beings that don't need a planet? They have space. Space is their environment, the place where they live. Look at that. That is just incredible to me. Let's add a little bit more brightness to it. You can even see it more now. Okay, apply. Look at that. You can see the lines. You can see the lines. That's absolutely incredible. And you sort of see a line right here. Do you see that? I can see it. And I can also see it go up to here. But that is incredible to me. That is, see that line? I mean, the fact that these are moving are proof that they are not a figment of my imagination, that these objects are actually in space. Okay, this is 100% proof that it's not a photo glitch. I mean, that's the number one thing NASA always says. It's a photo glitch, Scott. It's a photo glitch. Well, the fact that it moves is proof that it's not a photo glitch. It's a little blurry because it's moving while this camera is taking a long exposure, okay, which is proof that this object's moving and that it exists in space far, far away. Okay, guys, like I said, this is the constellation Taurus right here. And to find it, you go up to the top over here. There's many buttons. You hit Explore, and you look for Constellation. It says Constellation. And then you just keep going until you hit the letter T for Taurus. And there's Draco, Leo, Norma. Okay, we're getting really close. Where's Taurus? Right there, right here. So you click on that, and here we are. And you just zoom in, and when you zoom in up here, you find these blue objects, these blue moving objects. Now let's get rid of those lines again. Like I said, those overlays are not necessary. Now they're gone. And there they are. So guys, what do you think about this? What do you think these are? Are these giant megastructures? Are these living creatures that use space as their planet, as their environment? What is going on here? But the fact that they're moving is 100% proof that they are in space. These objects are in space. They're actual objects, not glitches in the photo. So, well, if you like this video, like and subscribe. I'll make more for you very soon. Take it easy, and please share it on social media.